Hello children. So let us understand chapter 9, our homes today. I love my home very much. It gives shelter to my family. It protects us from rain, wind, cold and the heat of the sun. It also protects us from thieves and wild animals. So as we know why home or why house or a shelter is important for us. It is important for all of us because it protects us from weather condition, different weather condition like hot, cold, wind, storms and also from thieves and wild animals. Now let us know about types of homes. One example is given there about Shambhavi. She lives in bungalow with her parents in Assam. It has a living room, kitchen, guest house, study, balcony, storeroom and garage on the ground floor. The bedrooms and bathrooms are on the first floor. The bungalow has beautiful lawns and a kitchen garden at the back. So you can see here a picture of a bungalow. Actually, what is bungalow? It is an independent house having all the separate rooms and a lawn also in front of that. About Shambhavi, it is given here that her study room and storeroom, garage are all on the ground floor. So ground floor means the part of the house that is made on the ground, that is called ground floor, and above ground floor is the first floor. Okay. Now today the school is closed. It has been raining heavily for last 1 week. Shambhavi is playing snakes and ladders with her brother Ranveer in the balcony. Her parents are reading the newspaper and enjoying tea. Shambhavi's cousin Mala lives in Mumbai in an apartment or flat which is a multi-story building. The flat has only 2 small rooms. The tiny balcony is used as study. The kitchen is so small that only one person can work there. Now here Shambhavi's house, Shambhavi's bungalow is compared with her cousin's house Mala who lives in Mumbai. And she lives in the apartment. Here you can see the picture of apartment. Apartment means the flats which having multi-story. Multi-story means, multi means many. So many floors are there. Okay. Like in Shambhavi's house, only ground floor and first floor is there. It is an independent big house. Whereas apartment or flat, it is a multi-story building means multi floors are there, many floors are there in such type of houses, and the rooms are also very small. There is no separate garage room or study room. Okay, and kitchen is also very small that only one person can work there. So this is the difference between the bungalow and an apartment. Now people, first let us know about, do you know in big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata, the land is limited and the population is huge. So most people live in flats in a multi-story building because in big cities there are not, we can't make independent house because land is very limited there and population is also large. So where will people go? So that's why such multi-story buildings are made so that many people could be occupied there, so that they could live there. Now people living in different types of houses depending on location and climate of that place. Wherever people live, it depends on two factors: what is the location and what is the climate of that place. Like the early man lived in caves. We had already learned about the early man in previous chapter. He ate the flesh of animals or fruits and roots of plants. So this was his food. Over a long time, the hunter and the food gatherer become the food producer. As we had already studied that early man, he was a hunter, and after that, when he started settled life, he became a food gatherer and then become a food producer. Food producer means he started growing food. He started living in small huts close to his crops. Even now, many people live in huts in villages. So as early man started settled life, he started using thatched huts. We have already studied. So now even at present time also, many people live in huts in villages. The types of houses we have in villages, they are called huts, जिन्हें हम झोपड़ी कहते हैं. The huts are made of bamboo, straw, dried leaves and mud. These are the materials used for making the hut. They are known as kacha houses or temporary houses. Okay. As they are not very strong. So because they are weak, that's why they are called kacha house or temporary house. They can start leaking in the rainy season. Strong winds can also damage them. ये आसानी से टूट जाते हैं. अगर तेज बारिश या तूफान आ जाए तो ये बहुत जल्दी डैमेज हो जाते हैं. Huts can also be found in slums in cities. They are made of bricks, tins or polythene sheets. Like we said, huts are found in villages. They are made up of mud, straw. In the same way, in cities, you can see here a picture of a slum. Slums are the overcrowded street found in cities. Okay, many poor people live here. These are not very clean area. Okay, it is very overcrowded. इन्हें आप झुकी झोपड़ी भी कहते हैं. ठीक है. It is mainly found in cities and they generally made their house with the brick, tin or polythene sheets. If you can see here also blue color, something is you can see there. So that's the polythene sheet that they use to make the roof of their houses or the tin sheds. Okay. These days, most villagers live in pakka houses or permanent houses. But now the scene of the villages have changed. Now they are not living in huts. They have changed their houses to pakka or permanent house. See, P for pakka and P for permanent. In this way, you can remember that permanent house are also called pakka house. Temporary house are also called kacha house. They are made of bricks, marble, stone, cement and timber. A very big village house is called haveli. As the big houses, independent house in cities are called bungalow, in the same way big house, very big house in villages is called haveli. Okay. Now come to next page. Page number 60. Mountains generally receive heavy rain and snowfall. We know that in mountains there is heavy rainfall and snowfall also. The houses in Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are made with sloping roof so that rainwater and snow can slide down easily. So you can see in the picture that these houses have sloping roof. The slope is just as you go in park, slides are there. When you go over slides, what happened? You easily slide down. Okay, in the same way it happens on such kind of roof also. When rain or snow falls on such type of roofs, it easily slide down. Okay. So such type of houses are mainly made where there is heavy rainfall or snowfall. Now another kind of houses are stilt house. You can see a picture also here. So these are the houses made in flood prone areas mainly, where lot of flood, जहाँ बाढ़ आती है. And what is flood? When in rainy season mainly the river get overflowed. ठीक है, बहुत बारिश होती है जिसके कारण नदी का पानी लैंड पर आ जाता है. ठीक है, दैट कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड फ्लड. So it's very common in Meghalaya and Assam. So in such kind of areas, stilt houses are made. Okay, the rainwater drains away easily through the stilt without damaging the house, because the houses are not attached to the ground. Okay, they are on the platform of a wood on bamboos. So water does not touch these houses and it easily drain away. It has ladder also here, you can see ladder in the picture, but it is removed at night for the safety from thieves and wild animals. Otherwise, what will happen? Thieves and wild animals can easily come up to these houses. So that's why these ladders are removed at night. The next type of houses are houseboats. So what are houseboats? Houseboats are the houses made on boats that float on water, and it also can move from one place to another, and it is mainly found, you can see, in Kerala and Kashmir. Okay, here is the picture. Then now come on to another type of houses, that is caravan. So houseboat and caravan, these are movable houses. These come under the category of movable houses that can move from one place to another. As the name is there, caravan, and a car has wheels. We know car and van has wheels. So such type of houses can be moved from one place to another. Nomads do not live permanently at one place. They live in caravans which can be moved around by horse, bullock or van. So these animals are used for taking these houses from one place to another. You can see here the ladies, okay, they are making food, and you can see their caravan having wheels there. So these are dragged by the horse, bullock or van. And what are nomads? Actually these are the community of a people that do not live permanently at one place, जिनको आप बंजारे भी कहते हैं. They always keep on moving from one place to another. Then climate plays an important part in the type of houses people live in. Now climate also has a great role for the type of houses. In hot climate of Rajasthan, the houses are built with high flat roofs to keep the house cool. So in plain area, mainly what type of roofs houses have? They have flat roof. The rooms are made around an open veranda, and open veranda space is also there so that it allows free movement of air and to keep cool. Okay, it is much ventilated. Then let us study about the materials used for building houses. As we had already learned, there are temporary houses, permanent houses, different type of materials are used. The same is told here also. So let us study. Most people build houses with materials that are available locally. People use bamboo, grass and clay for making huts in villages. Some people also use tin roof and asbestos sheet as they cannot buy costly materials. In cities, mostly people use materials like glass, steel, cement, wood, stone, marble, bricks, etc. to build strong houses. In forest, wood is easily available, so people make wooden houses known as log cabins. So what are log cabins? Houses made of wood are called log cabins. Log means लकड़ी के लंबे लंबे टुकड़े जो होते हैं, लंबे जो उनकी ट्रंक के साथ ही जो पूरी उसकी स्टेम होती है, that is called the log. ठीक है. In cold climate also people use lot of wood. It keeps the house warm in chilly weather. So these type of houses mainly are made where the climate is cold, like Kashmir. You can find wooden houses there. Mainly wooden houses are made there. Now wooden houses are also very common where the areas that are prone to earthquake, जहाँ बहुत भूकंप आते हैं वहाँ भी wooden houses होते हैं. Why they make such kind of houses? Because they can be rebuilt easily. Because if they make permanent house with the brick, steel, cement, what will happen? Every time earthquake will be there. As the area is prone to earthquake, then it will fall again and again. तो उससे क्या होगा? बहुत loss होगा. किसी को चोट भी लग सकती है. ठीक है? So that's why they make houses made of wood. Houses on seashores. Now another thing is seashore. Sea means समुद्र, shore means किनारा. तो जो समुद्र के किनारे जो लोग रहते हैं, they also made houses that are strong waterproof material to protect them from strong salty winds. As the sea water is salty, so every time strong salty winds, जिनको हम रूखी हवा कहते हैं, ऐसी हवा चलती रहती है. So they make they use waterproof material to protect their house from such kind of winds. Normally, these houses have big glass window to allow the cool breeze to enter and to keep the storms out. The type of house a person build also depends on the money that can be spent. A common person uses cheaper materials and builds a small house. A rich person uses costly material to build a big house. As we had already learned that the type of house people made depends on the location, it also depends on the climate, and it also depends on the money also that the person have. If money have is if he has not much money, okay, then he will not use costly items to make his house. Okay, and the rich people, those who can afford, they will use such type of materials for making their house. So this is also one of the factor for the type of house person make for himself. So I hope you have understood this chapter.